Did I say that right?
Antonella.
Antonella. Oh, you almost have to say it with an accent. Now, she found us on the internet like you guys. We came in, removed some carpet, did some repairs on a home that she's helping her mom put together. And so you found us on the internet. What do you think about us?
I love the work. I can tell you that we knew that there were hardwood floors throughout this house, but they had not been taken care of. And you guys came in here and you revived the floors, which changes the look of the entire place. You did it quickly, efficiently. You sent me updates, which no one else has done, photographic, also uploading videos about your progress, which I appreciate a lot because I can't be here 24/7.
Thank you.
The quality of work was great, and most of all, the interactions from the beginning of the process until now were incredibly pleasant, with no hitches, which is incredibly rare.
Oh, appreciate it. Now, I'm going to ask you this one. It's serious. Is like, is there anything, because we're always trying to make each project a little bit better, anything that we could do that would have been, made it better, or anything that we could do to improve?
Wow.
At least you have to think about it.
No, I mean, I'm thinking about it. No, the only thing that I would say that I loved the most, which is what comes to mind, is the ability to come in here and see the different stains.
Okay.
And pick between those.
Yeah.
That makes a huge difference because I think most people, unless you see something applied on the surface,
Yeah,
it's impossible to decide.
And that's what I say is like you got to see it on your floor in your house, and I like that part only because, like you said, you're helping your mom do this,
Yes.
and it really made having her have the input.
Yes.
I think made it a lot better. It makes it feel more like hers. She chose the color, and so I like that part. Well, I appreciate it, and man, anything, just give us a call. Thanks.
Thank you.